Rather, you need to say, get away, you sickness. Do not proclaim the greatness of your sickness. Rather, proclaim and declare the greatness of God over the sickness.
I'm dying.
If you are saying, I'm already it has been wandering me over the valley. Why don't you say, rather, I was under the cross? We are not the preacher of the bad news, but the preacher of the good news. Even though we are suffering from problems, we preach the glory of God. Paul, the servant of God, but he was saved.
I change you in the name of Jesus Christ.
Paul was in prison for himself, but he was writing the letter of release to those who are